good spot. It has a huge field. This is gonna be my first attempt on acro mode, line of sight. I've been using Drone to practice a little bit. Here we go. First crash. Looks like everything's good. All right, take two. Alright, so first time I couldn't do it because of the memory card was giving me issues with the goggles, but I was able to fly line of sight for a little bit for my very first time. I'm just gonna get straight into this. This will be the first attempt at FPV. Here goes nothing. And my heartbeat is racing. Woo! There you are. Whew, that was actually really cool. All right, this is the second week. Let's see the progress. Ready, boy? Ready, boy? He's ready. Every time, every time. Yeah, I feel a little bit more confident this time. Flying through the building, a little bit under the trees. Every time it just gets you right here. So that was the last flight for the day. The special B-day, my birthday. So we're about to go out and get some food, do a little shopping. All right, week number 3. Today we're at a new spot. It's gonna be my 4th flight. There's a lot of good things to fly around and see. Still learning, but let's give this a shot. was my first flight in this park, and I had got it stuck in the tree halfway. Luckily, it was that small tree. So let's go ahead and pop it up again. Okay, so we're not able to do it again. The park ranger just came and is kicking us out. Guess it's time to head to the next spot. Well, howdy. So, this is supposed to be my 4th flight, which has taken a month of flying due to I get about 1 hour a week to fly, and this is my 4th time flying. Actually, a couple weeks ago was my 4th time flying, which would have been my month, but I came out to this location and I ended up losing my drone. Lost full reception somewhere in this section. Been out here for hours and hours, days, for the past couple weeks, but lo and behold, I decided to go ahead and purchase another drone, which this one is the Eachine Wizard X220S, which supposedly has better specs. And this time I bought a buzzer, the ViFly 2. First time I ever did any soldering, so I took it apart, installed it, and it works beautiful. That's another thing, I lost my GoPro with it, so luckily my sister had this session, so I don't know how quality is going to change from the other weeks. We'll have to give it a test and see how it looks. But yeah, let's hope I don't lose this one. There we go. This drone is amazing. I can't wait to see how this GoPro session looks compared to the GoPro Hero 5 I lost. Being so used to just DJI drones for my photography, I'm not used to flying these type of drones. I'm getting hooked. Oh, and if you didn't notice, a year in the making, and it's gone. Chopper, I'm gonna be eating that. Got him tied. He can go all the way around and walk in circles around me. I just sit there and I fly, hands free. Wow. Almost kicked that right in my shin. Anyways, that concludes my 4th flight, which for me would be 1 month, even though I lost it and I had to wait 2 weeks for the new one to come in from Banggood. I'm gonna pop this last battery in and then call it a day. Enjoy this last flight. Catch you on the flip side.